Hello friends and welcome to a lecture on Python. Today we will learn about if, else if and else statement. Well, this is a very unique statement. So let's have a look at it, what it is. We have a test expression. Let us say we have a greater than b, b greater than a. These are test expressions. A equal to b, a not equal to b. Well, if the test expression is true, then the body of if is executed. That is, the code after the if condition is true is if is executed. Now, if this is false, then again a test is done. Okay, and you have a test expression for that. So a second test expression is entered here. Now, if that test expression is true, then the body of else if is executed, and if it is false, the body of else is executed. Now, let's have a look at it. So what we have is, we have three numbers. So yes, so what we do is here, yeah. So let's zoom this up. Okay, there we are. So let's zoom this up, and now it would be better. So we have three numbers, that is number 1 is equal to 12, and then number 2 is equal to 34, and number 3 as 56. So we write greatest is equal to 0. Now we want to find which is the greatest of the three numbers. So what we do is we write if number 1 is greater than number 2, then and, of course, and number 1 is greater than number 3, then greatest is equal to number 1. Then we write else if, ELIF, for that we write ELIF, number 2 is greater than number 1, and number 2 is greater than number 3. We write the greatest as number 2. Enter. And of course the else is going to be greatest is equal to number 3. So that's it. Enter. And then we print the greatest number. Print. So now let's execute this code. Now, as you can see, it has given the greatest of the number, that is 56. Now let's change the order. So let's put this as 85, and let's take this as 101, and let's keep this as 56 and run it. So it gives us 101. Now let's take this as 104, 100, and let's run it. So it gives 104. The number of the greatest number is 104 out of this. So that was all about it. So this is how we use the if, else statement. Now there are various conditions that we can put, that is greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, And these conditions are discussed in the card above. You will find the card here, and it is discussed in the link below also. So do have a look at them also, so that you can understand this, how to put various kind of conditions in this. So that was all, guys. Keep watching and subscribe my channel. Have a great day. Goodbye.